Hey guys, are you want to buy best digital voice recorder? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best digital voice recorder that's are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Dunzy Digital Voice Recorder. The Ghost Hunting Equipment Kit is a complete and versatile set for anyone intrigued by paranormal investigations. This kit includes an 8GB digital voice recorder, 2 cat balls, and a UV blacklight flashlight, combining practicality with fun. The voice recorder supports multiple formats including MP3, WAV, FLAC, and APE, offering up to 36 hours of continuous recording on its 300 mAh rechargeable battery, perfect for capturing every eerie sound during your ghost hunts. The UV flashlight features 51 LED beams emitting 390 to 405 nanometers light, ideal for exploring dark corners, spotting minerals, scorpions, or even detecting pet stains around the house. The 2 cat balls add a playful element, lighting up with a simple press of a button and serving as creative tools for interacting with spiritual entities. Stylish yet functional, this kit activates automatically with sound detection, saving battery while ensuring you don't miss any activity. Compact, reliable, and feature-rich, it's an essential companion for both novice and experienced ghost hunters. Now our second product is Dunzy Digital Voice Recorder. The Ghost Hunting Set is a fun and versatile kit perfect for paranormal enthusiasts and hobbyists alike. It includes 1 digital voice recorder and 4 interactive cat balls, combining practicality with entertainment for ghost hunting adventures. The 8GB dual-channel voice recorder is impressive, supporting MP3, WAV, FLAC, and APE formats. Equipped with a 300 mAh rechargeable battery, it offers up to 36 hours of continuous recording. Noise reduction technology ensures clear audio capture, filtering out ambient sounds and accurately restoring real-life scenes. The sensitive microphone is also ideal for classrooms, interviews, lectures, or conferences. Voice-activated recording saves power by starting automatically when sound is detected, making it convenient and efficient. The 4 cat balls feature a bright, flashing design that captures attention instantly, adding an element of interaction and fun, perfect for pets or playful scenarios during hunts. Compact, reliable, and feature-rich, this ghost hunting set delivers both excitement and functionality, making it a thoughtful gift for students, teachers, business professionals, or anyone curious about the paranormal. Our third product is Sunlan Digital Voice Recorder. The voice recorder is a simple yet powerful tool for capturing high-quality audio with ease. Its one-button operation makes recording straightforward. Just press rec to start, stop to end, and play to listen instantly. The AB repeat function allows you to select and replay important sections efficiently. Equipped with a sensitive microphone and DSP noise reduction technology, it delivers crystal clear recordings by filtering ambient noise, making it perfect for interviews, lectures, meetings, or personal notes. The voice-activated recording function adds convenience by starting automatically when sound is detected, saving battery and storage space. Beyond recording, this versatile device doubles as a music player and detachable USB storage. You can enjoy your favorite tracks or carry important files, pictures, and documents with ease via USB connection. With continuous recording for over 30 hours and playback up to 7 hours, this recorder offers reliability, superior sound quality, and portability, ideal for students, professionals, or anyone needing a dependable audio companion. Now number 4, Ponovo Digital Voice Recorder. The Ponovo 160GB digital voice recorder is a powerhouse for anyone needing reliable, long-duration recording. With a massive 160GB storage, 32GB built-in plus 128GB memory card, it can store up to 10,000 hours of audio at 32 kilobits per second, making it ideal for lectures, interviews, or meetings without worrying about running out of space. Equipped with a 1100 mAh battery, it offers up to 100 hours of continuous recording and includes an autosave function for low battery situations. Its compact design, 3.85 by 1.14 by 0.47 inches, and durable metal shell make it portable and stylish, perfect for travel or daily use. Ease of use is ensured with one-touch recording, a secure lock function, and a dynamic color screen. The external microphone captures directional audio clearly, while the upgraded 2159 noise reduction chip delivers crisp, high-definition recordings up to 1536 kilobits per second. Features like AB repeat, voice activation, line-in recording, and password protection make it versatile and secure. Ponovo also provides a 2-year warranty and 24-hour customer support for peace of mind. And our last choice is Tonfarb Digital Voice Recorder. The Ponovo 136GB digital voice recorder is a high-performance device designed for students, journalists, and professionals who need reliable, crystal-clear audio capture. Equipped with dual noise reduction microphones and 1536 kbps PCM HD recording, it delivers exceptional sound clarity even in noisy environments. The voice-activated recording (VOR) ensures it only picks up speech, minimizing background noise. With 8GB built-in memory plus a 128GB TF card, it can store up to 9,000 hours of MP3 or WAV recordings. The powerful 1,100 mAh battery provides up to 68 hours of continuous recording, ideal for lectures, interviews, or long meetings. One-click recording allows instant capture even when the recorder is off, and USB-C connectivity ensures fast, secure file transfers. Designed for convenience, the lightweight 97-gram recorder features a large LCD screen, AB repeat function, and password protection. Its sleek, durable metal casing makes it portable and long-lasting, perfect for travel, office, or classroom use. This recorder balances performance, portability, and user-friendly operation seamlessly. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.